The third-generation Tacoma is available in 6 grades, including the work favorite SR, the ever-popular SR5, and the range-topping Limited, as well as 3 models that carry the performance-oriented TRD designation: TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and the enthusiast dream truck, the TRD Pro. Each of these models can be further customized with options like cab size, bed length, and drivetrain. So with this effective lineup of dozens of configurations, it's easier than ever to find the right Tacoma for anyone. Inside, Tacoma surprises with its stylish and well-equipped cabin. The days of utilitarian truck interiors are long gone, and Tacoma makes that point loud and clear. And as a great example of Tacoma's perfect blend of technology and comfort, all V6 powered models except SR feature a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat with 2-way power lumbar support. Similarly, double-cab Tacoma models boast a power-sliding rear window when you need convenient bed access, or when you and your travel buddies simply want a bit more fresh air from outside, as well as available dual-zone automatic climate control when you don't. Truck or not, Tacoma ensures that you'll always be looking forward to the next drive. Tacoma's famously ready-for-action looks are highlighted by a few key exterior touches. For all models, that includes a seriously aggressive design that's evident in both the front grille and the taillights. And for select grade, unique options like available LED lighting and stylish wheel designs help further differentiate this truck from the crowd. Even Tacoma's color palette is intended to make a statement. Case in point, the great exclusive Army Green offered on TRD Pro models. So with looks like these, Tacoma has no trouble making its presence known, whether it's in the city, the suburbs, or far off the grid. When it comes to great tech, Tacoma is not messing around. Nowhere is that more obvious than in its audio multimedia system. Available in 7-inch audio and 8-inch Audio Plus and Premium audio configurations, this touchscreen platform includes all of the great entertainment options you'd hope to find in a modern vehicle. And yes, that includes standard compatibility for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as the convenient Toyota Plus Alexa app. It also works hand-in-hand with connected services, which include Safety Connect, Remote Connect, Service Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. But Tacoma's emphasis on technology goes far beyond its multimedia offerings. It also offers convenience features like the available Smart Key system, which works on both driver and passenger doors, as well as a Qi-compatible wireless charging tray for mobile devices. If there's one thing Tacoma knows well, it's getting the job done. This doesn't just mean having the payload to hold your work materials, or the standard towing capability that's more than adequate for nearly any active lifestyle, like hauling your gear for that big camping trip. It also means having the off-road chops to get you there. This starts with a powerful direct injection V6 to pull you up and over that hill, an advanced part-time 4-wheel drive system with available locking rear differential to help keep you from getting stuck in the mud, and the ride height, approach, and departure angles to help you clear those rocks and obstacles. And on that note, select Tacoma models also feature not just panoramic view monitor, but also multi-terrain monitor, which builds on Panoramic View Monitor's 360-degree bird's-eye view by adding additional features like underview, slippage recognition for each wheel, tilt meter with image leveling, and tire guidelines. Combine all this with an available 6-speed manual transmission, a rarity these days, a high-strength steel body-on-frame structure, and advanced terrain management systems like crawl control to help get you out of especially tough situations by automating low-speed acceleration and braking so you can focus on steering, and multi-terrain select to regulate wheel spin and traction based on 5 terrain presets. And in the case of the TRD models, upgraded suspension components like Bilstein and Fox shocks take this unstoppable attitude to the next level. With off-road chops like these, it's no wonder that legendary racer Ivan Iron Man Stewart has chosen Toyota trucks to power his incredible decades-long career. Back in 2018, Tacoma made waves across the industry by being one of the first pickups on the market to introduce a full suite of active safety systems. And as icing on the cake, that advanced suite, called Toyota TSS-P, is standard equipment across the entire line. It includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control. Tacoma further rounds out its safety story with 8 airbags, Toyota's signature Star safety system, and available equipment like a parking sonar and blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. Plus, if you're towing, Tacoma's V6 tow package comes standard, and it includes trailer sway control and additional coolers for engine oil and power steering. So suffice it to say, this pickup takes its safety seriously. It's no surprise that Tacoma is considered the ultimate mid-size pickup when it comes to being able to handle it all. If you need a hassle-free truck that can keep up with the demands of your day-to-day life throughout the work week and support nearly any active lifestyle on the weekend, then Tacoma is the one to beat, plain and simple. It's also no surprise that it's been America's best-selling mid-size pickup truck for the past 14 years, currently accounting for a whopping 47% of sales in the segment. Top this all off with a set of price points sure to meet anyone's budget, as well as its legendary resale values and long-term cost estimates, not to mention ownership perks like the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance and roadside assistance plan. And it's clear that the Tacoma story isn't slowing down anytime soon.